Okay, thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, here. Then I will take, okay, I'm doing the some program like this. Okay, that means when the tank level is reached above 20%, and then also the motor will open, wall will on. Okay, that is my program now. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, this is my tank level. I'm measuring the tank. So using this level sensor. Okay, so this sensor I'm measuring here using this block, and then this block will going to give the information to my um, comparator. So I'm going to take the comparator and the logic AN, comparing the two analog values. PV out IN. So tank level should be 20. So here I'm going to give 20 here. Okay. So
Okay.
this tank level is greater than 20, the block will on, wall need to on. So I'm going to take a wall block. So before we seen that motor block, similar way, we are going to see the wall block. So wall latch. Okay. So wall, I need to give the two feedback. Okay. So are you there, sir? Are you listening?
Yes, sir. I'm
Hello.
listening.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So in wall, I need to give the two feedback. So control open, feedback close, because wall I have two action. Completely
Okay, sir.
open, completely close. Sometimes due to some mechanical error, it may be partially open, partially closed. So because of that reason, we need to make completely open, completely closed feedback. So control,
Yeah, yes, sir.
feedback open, control, feedback close. Feedback close, right click, invert. Okay. Now
Yes,
another
sir.
thing is I need to have another push button called a start switch. Okay. So I'm going to digital input drive. Okay, here this is I'm going to double click. I'm going to change this name as digital. Okay, push start switch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give a start switch. So this is a digital.
Yes, sir.
So when the both the condition are okay, then only the wall need to. So when the both the condition are okay means then I need to use a AND logic. Okay, so I'm going to take a
Okay.
logic DI. Okay, I'm going to take AND logic. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so greater than, when this tank load is greater than 2, I'm going to connect like this and then start switch here. So when the start switch is also on and also my tank level also greater than 20, then the output will goes and switch on my wall block.
Okay, sir.
I click invert. Okay, now I'm going to compile this program. But there is some one more problem is here I have is, okay, this tank level, I want to display in SCADA. So I'm going to use a monitoring block. This PV out, I'm going to connect here. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to name this level sensor, tank 1 sensor. Okay, now I'm going to compile, I'm going to open my simulation software. Run P, minimize, compile. Okay, da. select. Compile as usual. Next, compile. Okay, the compile was completed. We display the
Yes, sir.
no. Right. Okay, so you can see the wall block. This is a wall block, and this is your analog sensor values. Okay,
Okay, yes, sir.
this is your. Okay, fine. Now we are doing the program here. So we in SCADA. So I'm going to give the value here. So first I need to give a simulation on. The simulation module is on. And the tank level is 25. And then I'm going to take a switch here. So the switch I make it on. And simulation PV in, I make it as a 1 year. Okay. When the both the input is 1, then automatically you can get the output here. So you can, but you are getting the output. The reason is the mode valve is not started because of manual mode. Once it changes automatic mode, automatically the valve gets started.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once the tank level is goes less than 25, for example, the tank is goes less than like in 20 something means. Okay. 20, okay, greater than 20 only we are fixed. So 20, okay, 15, we put it as a 15. Means automatically your walls goes off.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when this goes above 25, now I'm going to 35, the walls goes on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the range it's changing? You can able to check it out here. What is the tank level? What is your ranges is coming at 35 it's now. Okay, you can everything you can value, you can able to monitor here, and then you can set the alarm. All these things also you can set it. For example, the tank level should not go above less than 50%. These types of setting you want to do, it means you can set it here. So if the tank level is okay less than, it should be tank level should not go above 5%. Then I need to get the alarm. When the tank level is greater than 95, also I need to get that. Where the alarm will come, means here you can see the alarm is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the things you can set it and then you can check it out. Okay, this is the advantage of this thing. Now what is my thing is, another thing is interlock.
Yes, sir.
Interlock is okay. Okay, now we are used AND gate, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Using AND gate, when the both here only the condition is made. We programmed here only. Okay, when the two condition is okay, then when the motor block is activated. Now
Yes, sir.
here suppose this tank level is telling that the tank level is 35. Physically you are searching checking the tank level. Okay, is telling that okay the tank level is 45 percentage, but automation side through sensor is telling it's at 15 percentage only. The thing is the sensor is not working properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I need to give the solution. Now my process is running, but my process need to start, but because of this sensor I should not stop my process. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I need to do solution. I need to take some solution in this case. How can I take the solution now? So using the manual mode I can switch on, but the manual mode is not the proper solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so manual mode is I can put manual mode, I can switch on the wall, but I don't have the authority to change that one. Then
Okay.
how can I able to do that? Okay, I don't have authority to change a manual to automatic, automatic to manual. I can't able to change it now. Okay, I don't have authority. Now they're giving another authority called in. So I'm going to take a fourth page. In fourth page, I'm going to take a one interlock function. So here we have an interlock, two input. I'm taking this interlock function. Okay, in third page, this tank level greater than. Okay, I'm
Okay.
just going to connect with this interlock IN01.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then again push button. Or instead of or, I'm going to change this and then I'm going to give okay. Okay, then I'm going to
Okay.
take a wall block. Same wall block I'm going to take. That wall block is controlled by the AND logic. Here this wall is I controlled by the
And
interlock function. So control feedback open, control feedback close, right click invert, and this output I'm going to connect here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is one time I'm making a master reset my simulation software. Compile. Okay, compile completed. Download. Then go to your Similar way, OS station, right click, compile. Next, compile. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this is the interlock. Okay. So this is my tank. Okay. So my both the condition are okay in the tank level. That means the both are one. So the everything is okay. I put it in the automatic. Valve is open.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this valve also open. Okay. So both are okay. Now I'm identifying this. My tank level is goes 25. Okay. I'm fitting as a 50 less than set point. So my any one wall is goes off. That means both the walls are goes off. Now, which is works under the interlock condition. Which wall is working under the interlock condition? I can able to without going to the my motor block. I can go here. Which condition is not okay? I can able to bypass it.
Okay, sir.
Set. Then automatically it's open. Now this wall will not can't able to open because this wall is controlled by AND gate, but this wall
Okay.
is controlled by interlock condition. So it's bypassed and then it gives a supply to the motor block, wall block. So when the
Okay.
supplies comes normal, when your problem is solved, when the sensor is working normally, they give 25 means go here, I can reset it. Once it comes one, then I can go and reset. Then it works in problem is your interlock function. So you
Yes,
can make
sir.
an interlock also, and then you can able to bypass that interlock also. That is the advantage of interlock function. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will give the remote now. You do the practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When the link is cancelled means I will give the link again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Practice.